post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', IGDMN, yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so bear with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be. Can't deny. Love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, baby, meet me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Kimmy if you are new here, and today we're doing a 5 a.m. morning routine. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm tired. I'm tired. It is currently 5:38. We just finished our morning skincare routine. We got our morning water for hydration with a little lemon in it. Now we're about to get our tea started for today after we drink up our water, and we're gonna get our day started. Let's go. And that is the morning tea, you guys. This tea is so good. So you guys, we got this package and I am so excited to open it. I don't know exactly what it looks like, so we're gonna open it together, but I am so excited. Okay, I'm gonna calm down. I'm gonna calm down. Really back. Ooh. Look at this packaging though, it's so cute. Look, day one off of packaging alone, I haven't even opened it yet. Look around. Y'all know I love me some pink. Aroma diffuser. You talking about obsessed? I am obsessed with a diffuser. I love me a good candle. I don't use them all that often. You guys know I don't really like toxic things, and the candles can release fumes and smoke. But a diffuser though, if you guys have been following my journey, you guys know I love me a good diffuser, especially when I'm doing yoga. We're about to do yoga with the diffuser. Oh, I'm excited. The brand is called Maison Croyez, and we have an essential oil to put in the diffuser. When I see these, I always just want to like throw them and play. It reminds me of the balls when you go to the little kids thing and you jump in the balls and just play with them. That packaging is so cute though. It says that it is plant-based, and the company says they're 100% organic with ingredients shipped from France. I have tried and struggled. You cannot find that in very many places. I don't know where you came from, but thank you for finding me. So we're gonna open this and see what it smells like, because if it doesn't smell good, it's a no. It's a no. So far, they have cute packaging. Okay. Look how sleek that is. It is giving luxury. Look at that, that is so cute. The little logo, the black bottle. This does not look like the typical diffuser bottles at all. Look how small that is in comparison. They give you a generous amount in this bottle. There we go. Now I can, oh. It smells like you're literally walking into a spa. It has lavender, it has eucalyptus, and it has white citrus in it. I never would have thought to mix lavender and citrus. That smells so good. I don't even know what just happened here. Like, the fragrance is so unique, like a sweet but calming smell. Like, it gives you energy but calms you down at the same time. I can't wait to try it. I can't wait to see how long the scent lasts and if it really just gives that spa-like experience when I'm using it, when I'm doing like yoga, meditation, my morning routine, to see if it really lasts. Okay, I'm gonna calm down. Y'all know I get excited. Oh, this is so cute. This does not look like a diffuser. This brand is giving spa. You really can't even tell this is a diffuser. This feels super, super sturdy. And we have the plug. Before I give you a 100% honest review, we're gonna put it to the test and I'm gonna let you know. But first, I had to do it, I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to clean that up. Oh, that is really cool. It has this little dispenser in the inside and it looks like it's like literally leak proof. What? I like this a lot. And then, oh, I'm sorry. I am so excited about this. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it up and give it a run. It's very lightweight and it's very sleek and it kind of suctions to the table, which I didn't expect. I tried to pull it off and it kind of jerked a little bit, but I love it because if you bump into the table or if you bump into whatever it's sitting on, it gives me comfort that it's not gonna fall. Whoa. So you can long press to turn the light off or on. You have 1 hour, 3 hours, or 6 hours. It also says you can pair with Bluetooth. The ambient lighting is everything. I'm gonna put it on 6 hours because I like for my house to smell good and it's organic. You don't have to worry about toxicity. I'm gonna leave it running probably all day, every day if we're being honest. But honestly, first impression, this diffuser is amazing. You don't leak water everywhere when you try to pick it up. I have another diffuser and every time I pick it up, the water just leaks everywhere. And also, I would have to clean this because it would get like mold and mildew very, very often because there's water sitting in here. This, the water does not leak. It's straight oil, like straight out of the top. So far, the smell is loud. I walk into any room and I still smell it. It is so sleek, it's modern, it's cute, it looks luxurious. I don't know, y'all. I really so far, I really like this product. So I'm gonna leave it right here. I do my little gratitude station. So I'll take a card and I'll write something great that happened today or any day that I do it, and I'll drop it in here. And at the first of the year, January 1st, 2027, I'll read all of the good things that happened this year, like manifestation, gratitude, and all of that. So I think this works perfectly right there with this. So I am so excited about it. Honestly, I'm willing to say that this thing is life-changing. This one really sets the gold standard. If you like wellness, if you like spa-like feels, if you like luxury-like feels, this is for you. Especially if you're on my page. You're here for a reason. You like wellness, you like to feel good. The link will be down below if you would like to try it out. Try it risk-free, and if you do not like it, get your money back. Like, it's just that simple. But I feel like you are going to love it. guys, that was so peaceful. Like, that is literally one of life's little luxuries. Meditation and yoga with a diffuser, with an ambient light on the top. It's like so serene, so calm. The scent lasted for forever. Like, I literally still smell it. That was so calming. Literally a spa in my house. Nothing better. So now we're about to get us something to eat. We have to clean up a little bit and then we're gonna head to the gym. I'm gonna do my hair or redo it. I think I'm gonna do some twists this time, but we gotta get our workout in.
I'm so insecure. Wanna tell you that I love you and much more, but I just can't find the words now. I don't wanna keep it to myself, but every time I open my mouth, I'm stopped by my pride, yeah. I'll be typing, then deleting. You must think I'm so confused. Baby, if you only knew the truth. Need the moment, need the minute, just as bad as I need you, even though I'm way long overdue. So if you don't have the will to wait, then I don't wanna keep you. I've got so many things to say, need to tell you I need you. I don't wanna keep it to myself, but trust me, even in the silence time will tell. Time will tell. Guess I blame it on my past. Used to plan the future way too fast. Why repeat it when it hurts so bad? Why repeat it when it never lasts? I'll be typing, then deleting. You must think I'm so confused. Baby, if you only knew the truth. Need the moment, need the minute, just as bad as I need you, even though I'm way long overdue. So if you don't have the will to wait, then I don't wanna keep you. I've got so many things to say, need to tell you I need you. I don't wanna keep it to myself, but trust me, even in the silence, time will tell. Time will tell. Oh, time will tell. Oh. You and me is like perfection. I've been loving our progression, but I gotta make a confession, no. Lately I've been having questions, oh. See, I've been missing your affection, and this kinda reminds me of the last one. Maybe it's time I learn my lesson, no. Maybe step back from my protection, no. Tell me, am I still your baby, or just holding on to memories and the way you used to make me crazy? Or did I do something wrong? Are we still going strong, or you're stringing me along? Then that's like you. If I have to ask, then I probably already got my answer. But before I commit relationship suicide, tell me a little, reading in between the lines a little. Tell me if we lost the vibe a little. Let's go. Boy, that's my cue. We left it up in the air. I need you to make it clear for me. I need you to keep it real with me. I'm on your mind. I'm ready to pull up on you and show you I want you. Boy, you just do it for me. Even the homie said you suited for me, but now the energy got hazy, tell me, am I still your baby, or just holding on to memories and the way you used to make me crazy?
while you're doing it, huh? That'll be a lot more productive, right?
Yeah.
2 birds,
For
1
me.
stone.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you. Have a good one. All right, you guys, so we are back home. I'm about to hop in the shower because, ooh, I feel so gross. Like, do you guys know the feeling when you get out of the gym and you're just hot, sweaty, and gross? Like, I immediately have to hop in the shower. So we're about to take a shower and yeah, let's go.
Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I had so much fun. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.